Okay, that circuit is very fun, but what if we want to make things a little bit more fun? Now I'm going to show you how my circuit works, but let's look at the logistics first. So if we want to count the number of people that have passed from point A to point B, or the number of objects that have passed in this point or this road, we just put a sensor in the middle like his circuit. But what if we want to count the number of things or people that have moved from point A to point B in a specific direction, like B to A or A to B? That's how my circuit operates. It has two IR sensor modules, and it can only work, it can only count if the object moves from point A to point B, not in the opposite direction. It can only detect in that direction. You can see it counting as my pencil moves, but if I put in this direction, it cannot count. Only if it's done in that direction, it's the only time it count. So to achieve this first IR module, once it is triggered, it triggers a monostable circuit, which is the timer. So the timer off delays until that object passes through the other sensor. Now, if that object delays in the middle, it won't count. It won't count. It will only function if that object passes through the other sensor in the specific time the timer sets. Yeah. So this is a one direction motion sensor. Yeah, you can call it that, the one direction motion sensor. So it detects or it counts only if that object moves in a specific direction. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you guys today. If you're interested, I can show you the schematic on Proteus of how to make it. Yeah, so if you have any question, you can still ask. Yeah, I'll be glad to answer you. You can also put another IR here and here to count the number of objects that pass in the opposite direction, like this direction, and the other one that counts in that direction. Yeah, so thank you very much guys for your time. Please subscribe and follow Tronics Energy, and hope to see you next time. Goodbye.